Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an important topic to discuss: how to transition from being a boy to becoming a masculine man. Society often puts a lot of pressure on young men to conform to certain ideals of masculinity. But we believe that true masculinity is about authenticity and personal growth. So in this video, we'll share some valuable tips on how to embrace your masculinity and become the best version of yourself. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Embrace self-confidence. Confidence is key when it comes to masculinity. Start by working on your self-esteem and developing a positive mindset. Take care of your physical appearance by maintaining good hygiene, dressing well, and practicing good posture. Remember, being confident is not about being arrogant. It's about valuing yourself and believing in your abilities. Tip number 2. Cultivate emotional intelligence. Being a masculine man doesn't mean suppressing your emotions. It's about understanding and managing them effectively. Develop your emotional intelligence by learning to express your feelings in a healthy way, actively listening to others, and being empathetic. This will help you build stronger connections and relationships in all areas of your life. Tip number 3. Take responsibility. As you transition from boyhood to manhood, it's important to take responsibility for your actions and decisions. Learn from your mistakes and take ownership of your life. This means being accountable for your responsibilities, whether it's at home, school, work, or in your relationships. Taking responsibility will not only earn you respect, but also empower you to grow as an individual. Tip number 4. Develop strong values and integrity. A truly masculine man is guided by strong values and principles. Take the time to reflect on what matters most to you and live your life in alignment with those values. Stand up for what you believe in and be a man of integrity. This will earn you the respect of others and provide a solid foundation for personal growth. Tip number 5. Pursue self-improvement. To become a masculine man, you must constantly strive for personal growth. Set goals for yourself and work diligently to achieve them. Whether it's in your education, career, physical fitness, or personal skills, invest time and effort into becoming the best version of yourself. Remember, true masculinity is not about perfection, but progress. Tip number 6. Respect and treat others with kindness. Masculinity is not about dominance or superiority. It's about treating others with respect and kindness. Be mindful of the impact your words and actions have on those around you. Practice empathy, active listening, and seek to understand different perspectives. Building healthy relationships based on respect and kindness is a hallmark of true masculinity. Lastly, remember that masculinity is not defined by societal stereotypes or expectations. It's about embracing your individuality, being true to yourself, and continuously striving for personal growth. Don't be afraid to challenge societal norms and find your own path. And that's a wrap, guys. We hope you found these tips helpful on your journey to becoming a masculine man. Remember, it's not about conforming to someone else's standards, but embracing your own true self. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on personal development and growth. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.